Alright guys, welcome to the video on your exercise. Okay, I don't know. Do I have to say it like that? So this video is for you, particularly for you. It is important that you practice. You know already that in this zone, in this channel, in this region, in this part of the school of YouTube or YouTube University, we don't learn passively, right? You gotta do what you're learning. You gotta put it into use. Okay, so you have to put it into use, and this is what I have for you. This is hybrid store data set. It's a public data set, free to use, and it has region, country, item type, sales channel, order priority, order dates, order ID, ship dates, unit sold, unit costs, and unit price. Yeah. So we have we have 100 records. We have 11 rows, 11 columns, right? 11 fields, right? So that's all we have for this data. You can scroll quickly, but of course we know how to scroll. You don't scroll that way. How do you go to the edge of your data? Control Shift, you go. Control only to move. You're not selecting. Come down, see. So you can move across the edges of your data that way. All right, just control and the direction you want to go to. But let's jump quickly into what we want to do, which is the objectives. Now for the objectives, this is what we have: hybrid store, maximizing retail sales performance at hybrid store. So let's see what we have. Okay, there's a background. They give us a background to it. Says hybrid store, a thriving retail establishment operating in, okay, that's an extra space there, in 7 districts across more than 20 countries. Hybrid store has been a pioneer in the retail industry because it has been running for 8 consecutive years. To ensure continued success and informed decision, take that out, the executive manager of hybrid store has initiated a comprehensive analysis of the company's sales performance. The primary objective is to solely examine and understand sales data across all regions, establish connections between the products they offer, the quantity sold, and profit generated. What is the problem statement and objective? The executive manager's key concern revolves around determining whether each region is operating at its optimal performance level. This concern stems from the necessity to make data-driven decisions that can maximize the company's profitability. So we want to see how we can maximize the company's profitability, product offerings, and inventory management. These are keywords or key things to take note of, right? Problem statement and objective. So yeah, you have a data dictionary that tells you what individual column mean. Go through that on your own. Okay, go through that on your own. Let's jump into what are the things that we have. So we have a tax. You say it's really guided, though with the objective alone, these are not supposed to be added at all, but just for a guide for you, just a guide for you. So you have some tax to do. Of course, you can go beyond, but majorly you have to answer the basic question or the major questions that you have. Okay, so those are and you also have some hints to be able to answer those tasks. So feel free to go over them. And finally, let's move it. And yeah, the conclusion, it says this case study delves into the multifaceted challenge faced by hybrid store. It says by examining sales performance data and its relationship to products, quantity sold, profit generated across regions, the executive manager aimed to steer the company towards data-driven strategies that will not only enhance the performance but also ensure its sustained success in the dynamic retail landscape. To achieve this, the manager needs to see a vivid correlation between pivot tables and charts. So just a guide for you. Just a guide for you. Do not forget to want to see regional analysis. The manager wants to know if the region is performing at its optimal level. We want to enhance company's profitability, products, um, inventory management, and product. What's it again? And product offerings. Okay, so I want to see what works for the company. So this is on you. You got your time. You have a link to download this data in the description below. Just check the description. You see a link to download the data set. And yes, I wish you all the best. This might not be your first analysis. This might be your first, but I wish you all the best in this analysis. So yes, do well to share whatever it is you've done. Feel free to share your work, connect with people. You see what they have done. They see what you've done. People, do a lot of things together. All right. So that's it about this. I'm hoping and I'm waiting. I'm expecting to see your analysis.